In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to add clock to iPhone control center. So let's get started. Now, it's not possible to directly add a full clock on your control center like you can add it on your home screen, as you can see right there. However, you can add clock functions right here on the control center, and I'll show you how that works. Just go ahead to your control center and click on the plus logo on the top left corner, click on add a control, and then just search up clock, and then you're gonna see the three main clock functions: alarm, timer, and stopwatch. Now in my case, I mostly use the stopwatch option, so I'm just gonna click on stopwatch, and there you go, it's added right there. So I'm just gonna click anywhere else to get rid of this menu. Then I can just click on the stopwatch. It's gonna take me to the app right there where I can just start, stop whenever I want. And if you want to add alarm and the other options, you can just go back there and add them as well. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.